Rolling action.
Okay, so we come to the part of the job where we're installing our cathedral ceiling support. So that's cathedral ceiling support. So what we had to do is basically come up the ladder here and we run our plumb line. Now some people can use a laser, so you can run a laser, get the same result. This kind of little older school, we use a plumb line with a rope. Go in the center of our wood stove, and then we run that into the center of our attic support. However, there was a truss right here in the way, so we can't cut into that truss because that's a structural truss, so we can't cut into that. So our options were to go over here, further into the room, living space, which is going to cause actually the wood stove to be out further, or to put it back here and have it offset. So we talked to the client and offset's fine. If we were here during the construction, we'd be able to kind of make provision for that to be exactly where it was, but we're not, so you have to do the best you can. And the best we can is to make an offset. So we're going to use a 30-degree offset. So what we do is we run our plumb, we frame that all in. Then at the bottom, we take our square ceiling support, or cathedral ceiling support. We've already made some holes in it to be able to receive the screws into the squared in support. Bangle bangle. So that's going to fit in there just like that. So it's always a good idea, obviously you want to have it nice and plumb and square. So when we're putting it in, we're going to run our level here and here and just make sure it's all nice the way you want to have it. And that's going to hold the chimney, and from there is going to be the double wall black pipe that's going to set up for the flue gases for the stove. So hopefully that's understandable. This one here is going to have a ridge flashing, which is a different type of flashing on a metal roof, and we're going to be doing that. So there's a little more to do, but we're kind of getting there. See you in a minute.